Welcome back with another video. In this video I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp in Motorola G14. So if in Motorola G14, if you want to use the dual WhatsApp, like you have one WhatsApp but you want to use another, I will tell you how to do it. I will show you all the steps in this video. You just have to follow them, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's watch it.